I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you an excellent question from the test papers, and it is so scary that most of the time I've seen that the students leave it blank. They don't even attempt to do this question. Now the question here is sine of pi minus x times cosine of pi plus x times tan of 2 pi minus x divided by secant of pi by 2 plus x cosecant of 3 pi by 2 minus x cotangent of 3 pi by 2 plus x equals to sine to the power of 4x minus sine square x. Oh my god. So this is what you have to do. This question is actually a very good question, and it gives you a review of cofunction and correlated angles, right? So cofunction identity is one thing which we'll review here, and correlated angles. So if you know these two things, you can really solve this particular question in just 3 steps. Okay, let's go through this, and I'm taking this opportunity also to review these two concepts with the help of this 3-line question, right? So I'm calling it a 3-line question. You know, this is our coordinate system, and here all trigonometric ratios are positive, sine positive, tan positive, cosine positive. You remember by cast rule. Now when I say that we have sine pi minus x. Now sine pi minus x means you are in this quadrant. Sine is positive, pi minus x will give you sine x, correct? So let us write them in terms of their related angles. So sine pi by x, I could write, so we'll begin with left side, as we should for most of the trigonometric identities. I should say the complicated side. So we get sine pi by x is equals to sine of x. So that is the first thing, simple. Cos pi plus x. Pi plus x cos will bring here cos is negative, so we'll write this as minus cos x. Tan 2 pi minus x, tan will be here 2 pi minus x, tan is negative, so it could be written as negative tan x. Simple, right? Now we'll do the denominator part. Secant, now these are cofunctions, so whenever you get pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 plus minus something, secant changes to cosecant, cosecant to secant, cotangent to tangent. We have to only figure out sine. Secant pi by 2 plus x, pi by 2 plus x, you are here. Secant is the reciprocal of cosine, it is negative, so I'll write negative cosecant, I should have, okay, negative cosecant x. Okay. Cofunction of secant is cosecant, right? So it is negative cosecant x. Okay. Now cosecant 3 pi by 2 minus x. So you're here, and here cosecant is negative. So again negative, and that will be written as secant x. Cotangent 3 pi by 2 plus x. So 3 pi by 2 plus x bring cotangent in quadrant 4. This is also negative, and it is tan. So cot changes to tan. That is what you get on your left side. Now you can see from here that tan x cancel out, so let's just cancel them out. Now simpler, right? Now minus 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 means we get negative outside, so let me put negative. This is first part. Then we have sine x, cosine x, correct? I've taken care of these 3 negatives, so we are working now with all positives. Okay, that is the left side we are working with. Cosecant is 1 over sine, and this is 1 over cos. So it is 1 over sine x times 1 over cos x. So that could be written as negative of, we're bringing them on the top, so we get sine square x cos square x. Do you see? We are getting closer, right? Now we'll take minus sine square x outside the bracket, and cos square x could be written as what? 1 minus sine square x. You're right. 1 minus sine square x. And now we'll just open this bracket, so we get minus sine square x minus sine to the power of 4x. With plus sign, minus and minus will give us plus. And we will rearrange to write exactly as we need, which is sine to the power of 4x minus sine square x, which is right side. Now I hope with this you get an excellent review of cofunction identities, correlated identities, and a solution to a scary question. I hope that helps. I am Anil Kumar. Subscribe to my videos and learn a lot. Thank you.